Oh, she's watching us. Hang on.
Here's your boys playing, Mama.
Fooled you. I think they're having too much fun. What do you think? Probably got a deer.
Maybe. Where's that chair? Oh, that was a good one. That was beautiful. I wish that chair wasn't in there, though.
Fooled you.
Come on, move up a little closer. It's beautiful.
Yeah, I think Prince is feeling better. What do you think?
Yeah, he is. I think that's the longest I've seen him play, actually.
He bounces off the ropes. He comes back in.
Uh-oh. Are you done? Look at him. Ooh, I'm all tired now. No? Show-offs. Are you done? That was nice, thank you. That was really nice. I like that. Are you all done? Huh? Let's see. Are you done? Come here. Well, come here. He says, don't you come here. Hi, pretty boy. What are you doing, huh? I see you. You're a pretty boy. I see you. Are you rubbing on me? Oh, so sweet. Hi. Do not eat the camera. Thank you. Give that back. And what about you? Hi. Can I help you? Can I help you? Huh? Huh? What you got to say? No, you may not climb the fence. Get off the fence. Get off. Good boy. You want to get some loving? Oh, that feels so good. That feels so good. It's enough. Okay.